Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. We're diving into another tip from our Don't Say series, and trust me, you'll want to remember this one. Don't forget to check out the other videos in the playlist to keep boosting your English. Alright, let's get started. Today we're talking about I'm sorry. Now, don't get me wrong, it's important to apologize, but sometimes we overuse it. Instead of apologizing all the time, let's learn how to handle certain situations with more confidence. Instead of always saying, I'm sorry, for small mistakes, try these. Thanks for your patience.
Thank you for your patience.
Or I appreciate your understanding.
I appreciate you for understanding and
I appreciate your understanding.
If you need to adjust your words, try. Let me clarify.
Let me clarify.
Or here's what I meant to say.
What I meant to say was...
What I meant to say was...
And for situations where an apology is necessary, but you want to keep it professional. I apologize for the confusion. Let me fix it.
I apologize for any confusion.
Or I appreciate your feedback and we'll work on that.
Appreciate the feedback, sir.
See how these alternatives make you sound more confident and less apologetic? You're owning the situation without over-apologizing. These phrases help you stay polite and professional while also showing you're in control of the situation. You'll be surprised how much more confident you'll sound. Found this tip helpful? Then don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to check out the rest of the Don't Say series for more tips on how to improve your English. Until next time, don't just say, I'm sorry, be confident. See you in the next one.